Hi everyone, I'm Catherine and this is Gracie Designs. So today I'm going to tell you about a product that I just purchased. I don't know how I did without it over the years. Crocheting, knitting, it's just an amazing tool to have. It's really a unique product. It's a yarn holder that helps spin your yarn around while you're working on your project. This particular one that I purchased, I got on Amazon, and it came in this nice little box, and it was very easy to put together. I'm one of those people that have a really hard time pulling the yarn's end in the beginning from the center. I usually pull out half of the yarn and then I have a big mess in front of me. But this tool helps you spin your yarn when you take it from the outside. I know there's a lot of different ones out there and I can't compare it to others because I haven't tried them, but I'm very happy to purchase this item. The base is a unique shape. It's not real heavy, but heavy enough to hold the yarn that you need. It has this magnet on one end and then a magnet up here in the base, and this little smaller base that you will place your yarn on. You just find the center of your skein of yarn, the top and the bottom, and you put the spindle through it, and then you place it on the base where the magnet connects, and then you can start your project from the outside. So if you're left-handed, it's better to have it on the right. If you're right-handed, it's better to have it on the left. So this way your yarn flows. So I'm going to get started here. So as you can see, I just keep working and I don't have to tug at my yarn to get more, and it's really a time saver. And I have a link in my description to this product. It was on sale. I got it at a really good price. I also wanted to tell you that I'm using KnitPicks Brava yarn, which is a sport weight. And it's a 100-gram ball, and it actually holds it very nicely. I think I could probably put 2 skeins, but one at a time is enough because it's, you know, it's really easy just to change it off. So instead of trying to sit here and crochet for 15 or 20 minutes, I'm just going to show you as I pull, as I'm working, it just goes back and forth and it just spins the yarn for you, and you don't ever have to stop crocheting while it's spinning. So I really do love this product. The company's name is Growling. You'll see that in the link that I've provided. And this is really a time saver. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on Gracie Designs. For more information and product details, click on the link in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share Gracie Designs.